Good day, these great surgeons. Miss you all a lot, and today I'm discussing with you an important common message I've been receiving. It's all about a common phrase. I have been taking a course with who else and I didn't succeed, and took another course and didn't succeed. Some took course for one time, two times. It's not about the course to succeed the exam. Taking a course like buying a vitamin or a medication. But studying with the course is like you took the medication or you didn't take the medication. Many candidates have been joining our group, for example, and didn't follow our routine. Is it because our group or not? So, you took a course or didn't take a course, you joined our routine or you didn't join our routine. It's all about what you did with the course and what you did with our routine. Did you use it? Did you follow this routine or not? It's you who will study. It's you who will take the exam. So no one can spoon feed you no matter what the exam questions. And even though every course and even us trying to spoon feed you every important data without distraction, yet many like to distract themselves among many groups and many study routines. All roads lead to Rome. All roads are correct and good. Just follow the routine. Open your mouth to take this spoon. Don't leave it. Take the medication, not just buy it. That's why we insist on following a simple routine. For example, our interactive guide is starting with anatomy. I wonder, some are sharing their marks, and they are great marks, by the way, for vascular or orthopedics and even colorectal by now, so early. Please follow the routine. It has a specific point of view to start with anatomy in specific days, long days, and compress some other chapters. So please focus on your points of interest. Yet follow the routine, more important, and take the empowering time management given by your course or your self routine or our group to make sure you pass this exam. It's a gift that someone have passed the exam before, giving you his experience willingly or even paid. So it's up to you to follow the routine or distract yourself. My heart always you. You have been a warrior, and everyone who took this exam, I'm sure he got more than 50 or 60% at least. You passed this exam, but this is a competition exam, requires more dedication for a higher score. Aim for this exam to be a topper, not just pass or fail. And together we can with the grace of God. If anyone have any question, let's answer them in the comment. God bless you.